Hello and welcome to Shrimpy. My name is Jade and today we are going to rebalance a portfolio. Every time our portfolio rebalances, Shrimpy gets us closer to our target allocations. You can choose to rebalance automatically, either periodically or by a threshold percentage, or you can rebalance manually. We already have our exchange linked and portfolios created. We have an automation running on each portfolio. We will rebalance the example portfolio. To do this, we select the Actions dropdown and click Rebalance Now. A pop-up will appear showing what our rebalance will do. The red shows what Shrimpy will sell, and the green shows what Shrimpy will purchase. Select Confirm. We've queued our rebalance. At the top, we click on the trading icon. Here we can see the progress of our rebalance. This also shows that since we have fee optimization with maker trades turned on, our rebalance may take longer to complete. This is because Shrimpy will attempt to use maker trades first. And with that, we successfully rebalanced our portfolio. We can see the history of our trades on the History tab. Select the example portfolio to see the trade we just initiated. Click on the token for further details. If you have any further questions on how to rebalance your portfolio, please reach out to the support team at support@shrimpy.io. We look forward to hearing from you.